Circle. First up is our friend circle. Circles are round and have no corners. Say hello to circle. Can you see the circles in this picture? We have a clock, a ball, and a plate. They are all circles. Square. Next is square's turn. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Say hello to square. Can you see the squares in this picture? Look at the window, the gift box, and the photo. They are all squares. Triangle. Now, let's follow triangle on an adventure. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Say hello to triangle. Can you see the triangles in this picture? See the caution sign, the pyramid, and the mountain? They are all triangles. Rectangle. Look, next is rectangle's quest. Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 corners, but 2 sides are longer than the other 2. Can you see the rectangles in this picture? Look at the door, the book, and the smartphone. They are all rectangles. Wait, what's that sound? Choo-choo. It's the shaped train coming to take us on another exciting adventure. Let's hop on. Wow! First stop, the circle. Next stop, square. Choo-choo. We're now at the triangle. Last stop, rectangle. Thank you for joining the Shape Train adventure. Remember, shapes are all around us. Choo-choo. Until next time, please like and subscribe Toddler University at YouTube.